Okay, well, I had to redo my orbit a little bit, and then I had to end up restarting the flight and redoing it, but now I am in the moon's orbit. So I believe if I add a maneuver here... Oh, shoot. No. That's not gonna work. I have to wait. So can I delete this? Or... No. Anyway, I'm just going to fast forward a little bit. A little faster. A little faster. So now I'm getting to the moon encounter. Once I get here, then I gotta be careful. Okay, now I want to add a maneuver, I'd say right here. And what I want to do is, there we go, make a circle around the moon. That's what I want. Make it a small circle. And I need to burn for a very short time. Actually, can I see? No, I can't. Shoot. Maybe I can just land on the moon without orbiting it. We're gonna do that. See if this works. Alright, we're almost to the moon. Finally. So, I gotta wait a little while though. I must first get to my target. And I'm not very high on RCS fuel, so I'm gonna try and save it. But I gotta... That makes this a lot harder to do. Actually, I can turn it on for a little bit. Okay, stop. Stabilize. There. Go over a little bit more. Alright. On location. Once it stabilizes itself, I'll shut RCS off because I'm very low on RCS. But it's not completely necessary. If you're wondering, my rocket is still intact. I have quite a lot of liquid fuel left too, even from burning for like 10 minutes to get out of Kerbal planet atmosphere. So what I need to do is wait for a long time. Wait until I get close. Actually, okay, yeah. Gotta wait till about 40 seconds. And down. Getting close. Oh, I'm at 7 minutes. Not at the right thing. Okay, down. I'm just gonna start burning now. Actually, that's kind of gonna get me a little too far. I'll let it catch up. So basically, if you want to get to the moon, you, okay, there we go. Perfect. Now, I really need to watch where this blue line ends up. Now it's gonna make the circle. Make make the circle. And getting close, getting close. Okay, that's good. Can I set this as my target? Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, perfect. We're gonna intercept. Now, basically, once I get close to the moon, the trick is to always be pointed towards this little thing right here, this retrograde. So I'm gonna time warp a bit. Oops, shoot. I'm gonna time warp a bit so that I get close. And actually, how much fuel do I have left? I'll keep it just in case. Because I'll keep it just until I get close to the moon. Because I didn't really... As you can see, nuclear thrusters are very good because I have a bunch of fuel left over. Okay. Getting close now. Once I get really close to the moon, then I gotta start burning towards that marker. Which I'm actually gonna start to do right now. At least get it aimed up. This is the hardest part. And I don't have a ton of RCS fuel, which is unfortunate. Let's stabilize it there. That's pretty close. I can work with that. So now I'll go a little bit more over, just a little bit. There, perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is burn to make my orbit smaller. Makes the farthest out point of your orbit, I don't know how to pronounce it, aposis, makes that smaller. If you burn this is retrograde. And actually I'm going to stop and fast forward just a little bit more so I get closer. And once I get close, okay, I need to start realigning myself. Oh, shoot. Realign myself to... There we go. Okay, that's getting close. I aligned myself good there. Now I'm gonna burn some more. Can I tell what my... One thing I know the problem is that your altitude, you think it would go to 0 when you're on the moon, but actually your altitude, the moon is like at 2,000 or something, which messed me up on my practice run. So I horrifically crashed into the moon. Alright, we're getting close. I'm about to drop my nuclear thrusters, but I'm not going to yet. I'm gonna drop it when I get to about, like, I don't know, 15,000 feet? Because I still do have quite a lot of fuel. And I'm technically still in orbit. Once I get not in orbit, once I actually it turns to surface. Okay, how's this looking? Let's make it go a little faster. It's just full blast. Make it a really small orbit. And turn a little bit more. Okay. It's getting pretty good now. Getting to the final stages. Okay. All right, I am going to blast that off. I'm going to do that. There we go. That's just going to crash into the moon, and I need to get going. So the surface is getting vastly approaching. But now that I'm burning, not very fast. Oh no, 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 no! Dang. Crap. Well, it was a mild success. I got to the moon and crashed into the moon. Well, lesson learned. You always prepare a little before, because I didn't have near the room I thought I did. So, all that stuff's gone. But we made it to the moon, which is a progress. Next time, I'm going to land on the moon. So I will see you then, and I will land on the moon. Hopefully.